Masarap ang adobo. That means the adobo is delicious. Or you can also say, ang adobo ay masarap. Masarap ang adobo ay masarap. To say the adobo is not delicious, you can say, hindi masarap ang adobo. When we say hindi, that means not. Masarap is delicious and then adobo is a Filipino dish. Hindi masarap ang adobo, or you can also say ang adobo ay hindi masarap. Malawak ang bakuran nila. When we say malawak, that means wide or spacious. Bakuran is yard and nila is their. So their yard is spacious, malawak ang bakuran nila, or ang bakuran nila ay malawak. To say their yard is not spacious or wide, you can say hindi malawak ang bakuran nila. Or you can also say ang bakuran nila ay hindi malawak. To say the test is difficult, that is mahirap ang pagsusulit. When we say mahirap, that means difficult, and then a pagsusulit is a test. So mahirap ang pagsusulit ay mahirap. To say that the test is not difficult, that would be hindi mahirap ang pagsusulit, or ang pagsusulit ay hindi mahirap. Tahimik ang paligid. When we say tahimik, that means quiet, and paligid is the surrounding. Tahimik ang paligid, or you can also say ang paligid ay tahimik. To say that the surrounding is not quiet, hindi tahimik ang paligid, or you can also say ang paligid ay hindi tahimik. To say Maria is happy, that is masaya si Maria. When we say masaya, that means happy, and Maria is the name of the person, so masaya si Maria, or you can also say si Maria ay masaya. To say that Maria is not happy, that would be hindi masaya si Maria, or si Maria ay hindi masaya. I am sad now. That would be malungkot ako ngayon. Malungkot means sad. Ako is I and ngayon is now. Malungkot ako ngayon, so I'm sad now. You can also say ako ay malungkot ngayon. To say that you are not sad now, that would be hindi ako malungkot ngayon, or ako ay hindi malungkot ngayon. To say that your stomach hurts, that would be masakit ang tiyan ko. When we say masakit, that means hurts. Tiyan is stomach, and then ko is my or mine. Masakit ang tiyan ko, or you can also say ang tiyan ko ay masakit. To say that your stomach does not hurt, that would be hindi masakit ang tiyan ko, or you can also say ang tiyan ko ay hindi masakit. To say that the medicine is bitter, that would be mapait ang gamot. When you say mapait, that means bitter, and gamot is medicine, and ang is kind of like translates to the. So mapait ang gamot, or you can also say ang gamot ay mapait. To say that the medicine is not bitter, you can say hindi mapait ang gamot, or ang gamot ay hindi mapait. To say that I am a good dancer, that would be magaling akong sumayaw. When we say sumayaw, that means dance. Magaling is good, ako is I. Magaling akong sumayaw, I'm a good dancer. You can also say ako ay magaling sumayaw. To say that I am not a good dancer, that would be hindi ako magaling sumayaw, or ako ay hindi magaling sumayaw. To say that I am a fast learner, that would be madali akong matuto. When we say madali, that means fast, ako is I or me, matuto is to learn. Madali akong matuto, or ako ay madaling matuto. To say that I am not a fast learner, that would be hindi ako madaling matuto, or ako ay hindi madaling matuto. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.